Hi, my name is Alice. What's your name? Hello, Alice. My name is Bob. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Bob. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from New York. How about you? I'm from London. Do you like New York? Yes, I do. It's a big city with lots of things to do. Have you ever been to New York? No, I haven't, but I would love to visit someday. You should. It's a great place to visit. What do you do, Alice? I'm a student. I study English. What about you? I'm a teacher. I teach math at a high school. That's interesting. Do you like teaching? Yes, I do. It's very rewarding. Why are you studying English? I want to travel and maybe work in an English-speaking country. That's a good reason. Learning English is very useful. Yes, it is. Well, I have to go now. It was nice talking to you, Bob. It was nice talking to you too, Alice. Have a great day. You too. Bye. Hi, Bob. How are you today? Hi, Alice. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm good. Can you tell me about your daily routine? Sure, I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I have breakfast and go to work at 7:30 a.m. What do you have for breakfast? I usually have cereal and a cup of coffee. What about you? I like to have toast and tea. What do you do after work? I come home at 4 p.m. I like to relax and read a book. Sometimes I go for a walk. What do you do after your classes? I usually do my homework and then watch TV. Sometimes I go to the gym. That sounds nice. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at around 10 p.m. What about you? I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. I like to read before I sleep. That's a good habit. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Not yet. Maybe I will visit a friend. Do you have any plans? Yes, I'm going to the cinema with my friends. That sounds fun. Enjoy your movie. Thank you, Bob. Have a good day. You too, Alice. Bye. Hi, Bob. How was your day? Hi, Alice. My day was good. How was yours? It was nice, thank you. I wanted to ask you about your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to play the guitar and read books. What about you? I enjoy painting and listening to music. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play soccer on weekends. Do you play any sports? I play tennis sometimes. It's a lot of fun. That's great. Do you have a favorite musician? Yes, I love listening to Taylor Swift. What about you? Like the Beatles. Their music is timeless. Yes, the Beatles are great. Do you read a lot of books? Yes, I try to read one book a month. What kind of books do you like? I like mystery and adventure books. How about you? I enjoy science fiction and historical novels. That's interesting. Do you have a favorite book? Yes, my favorite book is 1984 by George Orwell. Do you have a favorite book? I love Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling. That's a wonderful series. Well, it's time for me to go. It was nice talking to you, Alice. It was nice talking to you too, Bob. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye.